This will be a review and demonstration of the Runlap folding hand truck. This dolly comes with some bungee cords that will help secure your items. It also will come with some descriptive assembly directions that I found to be easy to follow. And of course, it will come with the dolly itself. Assembly is really simple. All you need to do is install the 6 wheels using the screws that this kit comes with. This is a foldable dolly that is really great for easy storing, but also great for moving and other similar activities. The full assembly only took me about 5 minutes. As I mentioned, there's not too much involved here. You're just screwing in the wheels. This does not come with a Phillips head screwdriver, so you will need to have one at home for the installation, but otherwise everything else is included. This foldable cart moves super smoothly and is very easy to use. All you need to do to use the handle is just lift it up from the base of the dolly, and this is adjustable depending on which height you would like it to be at. It's also very easily collapsible. The handle also makes this really easy to carry, and it is really lightweight for being so weight bearing. This is what it looks like when the handlebar is fully extended. As you can see, it rolls really well. You do have the option to either keep that handle extended or to push it back in. And of course, collapsing this is really easy. This is just showing with a box seated on the dolly. You can keep that bottom piece extended or collapse it. Overall, I would highly recommend this to others. Its collapsible size makes it very unique.